I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Hey there, checking out this barn door, loving the renovations over at this home on Game Farm. Nice, spacious kitchen and living and dining area. It just flows beautifully. You have space for your dining room table, and as you go into this very well lit renovated kitchen, you're going to notice the center island, and let's not forget about the wine fridge off of the center island. As you walk into the living space, again, lots of natural light coming in from the windows off this gorgeous parcel. You've got over a half of an acreage, plenty of space. In this living room, with the light flooding in, you've got nice neutral color palette, no carpet to worry about. Beautiful flooring throughout, and remember that barn door? That is actually a converted garage. The sky's the limit for what you could do with that space. It could be an extra living room, a primary ensuite, you've got the bathroom, a playroom, a game room, whatever your imagination decides. Let's go see what Heather has to say about the rest of this beautiful home.
Thanks, Britt. So welcome into this original main ensuite. You do have this bedroom with an attached bathroom, which has been beautifully updated. These floors continue throughout, which is definitely more desirable these days in being modernized. But as she mentioned, you've got a huge space that you could make your ensuite. It's got a beautiful bathroom, 2 sinks, plenty of space in there, and this could become a playroom or a teens room with the bathroom and secluded. Again, whatever your heart desires, this property can probably give it to you. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you. You can get all the finer details about this property.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future hot deals like this one.